so dependent. Thoughts running through my mind. My shoulders carry all the pressure. Even though I'm so relentless, no matter how hard I try, it feels like it ain't getting better. Oh, if only I can find a light to illuminate the dark inside. Escape from all the fears in me I hold. What if I could let